So here I am again, peeps. Back on the long ride to Byzantium. Sorry for that long stop here in Warsaw. And I gotta tell you something, I was sick. So that's why I stayed here for a week. Very exciting place. That's why I really had to explore the city, and maybe I'll come back and continue exploring this crazy place. So I got a good impression, and today 84K. Continuing this crazy ride. I'm gonna sleep at nature tonight, hopefully by a river on a kayak place. Let's see what this day brings. Improvised breakfast here. Stop. Really nice, huh? Back on the road. Enjoying the small things of life. Bye Warsaw. Super cool place. Definitely visit Warsaw and stay there for like 5 weeks or something. That's the deal. Chill day today. In the outskirts of Warsaw, great capital. Cycling with some really nice tailwinds. Some amazing tailwinds on this amazing evening. With some apple orchards here. And I ain't stealing any of these apples because they send them to Sweden. And they're really cheap in Sweden, the Polish apples. Something about the Second World War here. Wojnie means war. I would say it really looks like from the times of the Polish People's Republic, maybe built by the Reds. This is the spot where I was thinking to camp, but I'm pretty hyped up, so maybe I should continue, but it's beautiful here. Pretty chill. Need to take a decision. I decided to YOLO it, and I'm cycling 14K more, as I have a really good flow, and tomorrow there's headwinds, I think, so 14K in headwind is like 2 hours, so saving some time, and you know, time is money. Okay, so now I know what this is. This is a tomato factory, dude. A tomato factory where they do all the tomatoes for the people of Europe and the world. What a humongous building, dude. Oh my gosh, look at that. There must be billions of tomatoes there. Like billions and gazillions. Like a Google of kilograms of tomatoes. Finally left that big highway. Now some quiet forest roads. So yeah, that was a decision, staying at another camp. In a place called something. Hope it's nice. Camp is here somewhere, holy cow. Tired of all these kids and all the shouting, so hopefully I'll sleep well tonight. Looking for a reception. Really nice camping here at Kozienice, it's called. Now I learned the name. And it seems kinda quiet. Not that bad. This is the spot. A nice secluded place away from the crowds. And by the toilet.